Hello, my YouTube fans. I got me some hot coffee at a big mug. This stuff is so good. Starbucks. I got my pretty mug at Chicken City. They are really good deals. $15. You better get them before they go. Starbucks. It's so good on these nice, cold, snowy days. And smells like Starbucks. So get it. Try it. I got my Starbucks at Sam's Club. 72 K-Cups in a big box for the winter time. Get it. Try it. It's really delicious. Starbucks keeps me going. Lovely, bro. Enjoy the cold weather with the hot cup of coffee. Starbucks. Bro, go Eagles.